Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Uh, I have a PDF file for the project is website, so I have a PDF file talk about the project, how I did it, and so it will be two part or just the PDF. I read the PDF for you, or you want me read the PDF then work on the website to show you it's working or how? Yes, PDF on the website. Y- Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. All right. Do you want me to start? So I will share the screen now. Share. So did you see my screen now? Okay. So this is inventory web database. Omar Al Mukhtar, Forsyth University Graduate School on March 13, 2021. So for introduction, manage the store inventory is super important to keep track of lost or stolen product. The inventory manager need to manually count his stock to determine if what he has in his store or warehouse match what he think he has. Yes. Uh, what I read the the presentation. I have uh, this as you see, hypothesis. Yes, and I read the slide and I will talk with the picture I can show you. So yeah. For the blackboard, it's a word. Uh, it's different. Yeah, it's different. Uh, yes, yes, yes. It's so. Okay. So. Uh, Also, the manager need to control on his store items from any place online without the need to go inside the inventory to save his time. On other hand, the customer needs to know the availability of any items he need to buy from the store without the need to go inside the inventory. The main purpose of the application is to find the availability of items in our inventory quick and safe, and keep track of stolen or lost items. The web application will help inventory employer and customer to find the availability of ready pickup items in our inventory. By upload the inventory web database application to web hosting service and make our site shine in Google search results. The customer and inventory employer can browse the website to read the inventory content online using any web browser. And the inventory manager can manage the database by create, read, update and delete inventory items using any web browser too. Hypothesis. I started with my project by creating a 00 host personal account, uploaded the customer and manager site, presented my site in Google search result using Google Search Console. The site should look like a professional site and work perfectly on different screen sizes. I designed the pages using HTML5 and Bootstrap code to create a modern website and web apps that look good on different screen sizes with responsive design. The index.php is the start page located inside the DB folder as below picture. So here you can see the DB folder and everything inside it. The index.php is the first page to load. I used PHP and MySQL to create the database combined with HTML code and Bootstrap code to show the database content using the selected statement they used to the user and manager. I got the username and password from the database from web host service. Because the host is free, therefore I have only one user as below picture. So this is the picture for the database manager for web host service. I have the user, this is the database name, this is the user ID, and localhost is localhost. And from here I can manage the user and database by delete database, change password, PHP my admin here, database, everything about the database. Therefore I need the other authentication system to give the manager the ability to log into the manager site. The body contains the link for the management and search page to navigate between pages as below picture. This is the first page, and at the start you see at the picture there is the link to navigate between pages. The head title, meta name, description and keyword for search engine optimization as the below picture. Then we will go to the code. You will see here, there is some description name, content and keyword. This is for search engine. Object.inc is a PHP class file contain code to add the title Samsung TV to all pages. The font color is blue and the size is 13px as below picture. Here you can see the class, my class. It's inside the object.inc. It's contain the Samsung TV. This to show it on all pages. The search page built using Ajax, Bootstrap, HTML5, PHP and MySQL. At the start I created a select query using PHP as below picture. So for the search page we need at first to connect to database. So this is the code just to connect to the database. Here the local host, it's the name for the database. I already get it from the first, and the password and the ID. The body contains the navigation link and title in HTML code as below picture. Here the navigation code for this page. I used Ajax with PHP and HTML to create the drop down list of inventory items. The user can choose one item from the list, then click search to show all the item details, name and the price in the table as below. So this is the search page. Is here the drop down list. You can choose which item you have in the store, then click search. Everything about the item will show here. This is the benefit from Ajax. The Fetch PHP work with Search PHP to provide Ajax parameter when the search button clicked to show the TV type details and the price in the table as below picture. Here the picture for the Fetch PHP. Here you can see the echo to print the parameter data. The data has 3 parameter: TV type, detail and price. So this is, I added layer of security to login to the management web page. mnge.html is the login page that enable the manager to login to the control page to implement, delete, add and update statement to the database. This makes the manager able to change the store data securely. I used the free host service. Therefore, I use Google Firebase to create manager user credential as below picture. So this is Google Firebase, and here the picture for the authentication system. Here the link for the authentication. This is the email for the manager, and this is all every details of the manager. From here we can add more users, more managers if we want. From this 3 period we can delete this account. We can change the password for him, everything. And I initialized Firebase for the MNGE HTML page and connect index.javascript with it to create and connect the authentication system for Firebase with the HTML login input and bottom as below picture. Here the HTML code for the login. So here password, the email, and the login button. When he click on the login button, there is function called login in another JavaScript file will initialize to check the username and password. Then if it's correct, the manager will be able to log in. If not, he will get some message. This is the MNGE HTML. This code to initialize Firebase, and this code to connect index.javascript, who has the code for login and everything for the manager. Okay, this is the index JavaScript, has everything about the authentication. The control PHP gives the manager the ability to delete, add and update inventory item. The HTML code made 3 forms, each one connect to different action PHP pages. The add PHP to add an item, delete PHP to delete an item, and update PHP to update an item as below picture. This is the code for add, delete and update. It's a 3 form. This is when he click on anything, there should be some action to open other page. Method of study. I created the HTML, CSS, PHP, Firebase API, Ajax and MySQL website using Visual Studio Code installed on my personal laptop, and test it locally using exam control panel version 3.2.4. The user can only read the store product. The manager can create, read, update and delete store items. I uploaded it online using free web host service like webhost.com, 000webhost.com. I used Google Search Console to present my site in Google search result. I tested the website using Chrome browser and Comcast Xfinity Internet Essential service with download speed 28.6 megabit per second, upload speed 2.7 megabit per second, latency 18 millisecond, and IP version 6 protocol. I created a free account at 000webhost.com using my Gmail account and upload the code to the site using file webhost surface. I use control panel for the HTTP files webhost.com site to upload my code as below picture. So this is the control panel for the webhost, and here all my pages already uploaded. From there you can upload this, the plus sign, you can upload your files. I used Google Firebase to create the authentication for the manager and database manager for the 00 webhost to manage the user account database.00webhost.com as below picture. So this is the control panel for the database on 00 webhost. I tested the site by implementing the result. I tested the site by implementing a CRUD operation on the database using the manager page and login successfully using both user and manager account. The user can read only and manager can read, delete, update and add the database successfully. The search page worked good as I planned to. Anyone can see my site on Google search engine by typing the code. This is the code where you can find everything. The site https ramadan.webhostapp.com db/db in search box for Google web browser, and press search icon or enter on keyboard key as below picture. So if you I put this code, I press the search and the result showing like that, and it take time to Google search to crowd the inside the website. So now it will look different. I will show you at the end. The website now look like the below picture after clicking the link for the free database web app store and navigate using navigation link. So this is the website. This picture for the first page. Anyone can read it, and this is the search. Anyone can read it too. This is the picture for the management. Just the manager can log in for this picture and for this page, and can manage by add something to database, delete something to database, and update. Conclusion. In conclusion, my project solved the problem as below. Any user can read the inventory items online from any computer using any web browser. I can prevent and restrict unauthorized user from create, update and delete the inventory items online. The inventory manager can create, read, update and delete, add and delete the inventory items online from any computer using any web browser. The user can find the website on Google. I create website using Ajax, Bootstrap, HTML5, PHP and MySQL to make the customer and manager able to track inventory items and check the availability of the items in store online. The manager can update, delete and add items easily online using any web browser by clicking the link. This is the link for that. And the site shine on Google search engine. I can find the website on Google by type. This is as below picture. So this is the final for the search. You can find the search TV. This is the page for the control page. It is the search page. This is the first page. So this is the presentation. Do you want to log in? This is the link for the website. So here you show the details, TV type, TV details, TV price for each item. For each item. This is just yes. So this is, I will refresh. So this is the search, and here you can choose anyone like this device. Here, this is the benefit from Ajax. It will be super fast. Then for the management, this is the, I think it's this type anything wrong, so to see if can anyone log in. say there is no user record correspond to this identifier, the user may have deleted or so. Type now the right one. So here you can add anything like TV name, let's say Samsung 9, TV detail is good TV, as they say it's 100, so they submit, connected successfully, return back. So let's go to main page to see the Samsung 9. So this is we just added. So let's go to management. Okay. So to delete, type the price, like deleted. So if we return back, nothing here. So to update this, let's do fine. Old name, old TV name to update. Let's say it's S2. New we called it Samsung 20. TV detail. Let's say it's good TV. Let's say it's 200. So it should change the S2. Record update successfully. So let's turn to the main page. So the S2 is changed to Samsung S20. The search in this using Ajax, so he can get everything here and click search. You will get the content for the item. Just it's fine. He can add it. Nothing said it just for Samsung. You can add any type of Samsung TV, any type of TVs. I think it should be fine. I didn't prevent the manager from add the other thing. So this is this is the website, so I can log in to see you. 1 second, I think. The PHP used some technology is called PDO. The PDO is safe, completely safe than from SQL injection. The other tag, the old version, we don't use PDO, it will be dangerous, but the PDO is super safe from SQL injection. And let's log in Google. This is just for the project, just a trial version for the project. I didn't, no one asked me for something special, so just to train for a training. If someone asks for something special, I can make some update for that. So I'm just looking to web host. So this is the management, so you can manage website. This is running. From here I can buy some domain for if I want. No.
So what I can see is that you spend a lot of time with people who
Yeah. I didn't work in this field, but I love it. I love this field, therefore I did this project. So here the search, if you type Ramadan, site Ramadan on web, you can find the all pages. So this is the search. You can go from Google to the site. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. What? Yes, yeah, absolutely. I'm happy. But I believe I need more thing to do, like as you said, the Angular. If I put all this together in Angular, it will be more powerful. But you know, it's need more time. But I think yeah. Uh, okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm good. That's everything I have for now. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.